For today's lesson, we're going to learn about singular and plural noun. What is a singular noun? A singular noun tells about one person, place, thing, or animal. A plural noun tells about more than one person, place, thing, or animal. Let's have an examples. Cat, cats. Watch, watches. Girl, girls. Book, books. Bottle, bottles. Brush, brushes. Teacher, teachers. Let's remember the basic rule. When it comes to turning a singular noun into the plural noun, the singular noun must need to add s or as at the end to become a plural noun. Let's move to another example. Kids, let's find out the correct answer below. My sister has many. Doll or dolls? The correct answer is letter B. Dolls. A plural noun because it tells more than one thing. Let's find out the correct answer below. Chloe buys a dress or dresses for her little sister. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is dress, singular noun, because it tells about one thing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.